Magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Sinjan Reyes. At kasama ko naman po ngayong gabi ay walang iba kundi ang volleyball charmer herself, no other than Pia Geyser.
Ayun nga, pag-usapan natin yung nangyari sa first set. And kita naman natin na nanguna itong Lady Warriors. Pero nung malapit na matapos yung set, humahabol itong Lady Jet Spikers. And I think na mag-warm up na sila. So magkita natin sa second set, maybe tinan natin kung manalo na naman itong Lady Jet Spikers.
At kung tuloy-tuloy ba ang pag-init nila dito, because we saw on the tail end of that set, talagang nag-iinit na tong ating Lady Jet Spikers at nagpapakita na ng veteran moves at veteran powers dito.
Nakita mo sa mga mukha nila na gusto talaga nila manalo.
Syempre,
yun yung importante.
Syempre, they're coming off a season where they did not so good, not so perfect, and they're entered here na sobrang ganda nung naging performance nila. I mean, I think I would share the sentiments, or a lot of people would share my sentiments in saying na napakaganda nung pinakitang performance nila dito so far sa Open Conference. And looking at their statistics, Pia, what can you say is
Yun
happening?
nga, and I'm not surprised with this. Yung Lady Warriors nga ay lamang sa attacks ng napakadami. And meron din silang mga service aces. So, kita natin na hirap talaga tong Lady Jet Spikers sa reception dahil di rin sila makagawa ng plays. Puro buka yung mga plays nila, kaya madali nang makuha ng mga Lady Warriors. So, I think they need to improve here sa second set ng kanilang receptions para makagawa sila ng plays at makakonvert ng mga attacks.
Nagugulat ka pa ba dito sa ating Lady Warriors sa pinakita nilang attacking power?
Well, every game naman ganun sila.
Yes.
Meron silang pinapakitang mga magagandang plays.
So would we be able to say that the Lady Warriors is really a great attacking team, or parang sobrang lakas nila umatake?
No, we can say they're not only good at attacks, they're also good at defense. What we can see here talaga sa Lady Warriors is that matagal na kasi silang magkakasama. Kaya mas madali gumawa ng mga plays, gamay na nila yung isa't isa. Pero hindi rin naman nagkakalayo dito sa Lady Jet Spikers. Sila din matagal na silang magkakasama.
At very veteran na yung iba dyan. Talagang matagal nang magka-teammates yan.
Pero may mga bagong dagdag sa teams ng Lady Jet Spikers like si Palomata at ang kanilang libero na si Crisostomo.
Yes. Of course, may Crisostomo coming from the San Sebastian Recoletos system. So dati rin yung alaga ni Coach Roger. Actually, one good trivia is a lot of the players here in the PVL were former players of Coach Roger Goryev one way or another. In some point of their lives. Grabe. But going...
Makikita talaga natin na amang-ama na talaga si Coach Roger dito.
At talagang institusyon na siya sa paggawa or sa paghanap ng talent in volleyball. But going back to our match, 3-1 na po ang ating score. And mukhang may tweet tayo dito from Jeremy Layson. Go Lady Warriors, believe you could win this game and you will. Go Bagyong Pablo, laban lang. Supporting from Cebu ulit. Kaya nyo yan. Ako, mukhang napapadami ang ating mga kapamilyang sumusubaybay mula sa Cebu.
Hindi mo ba re-replyan ng Bisaya?
Binatid ko na sila kanina, P. Baka maumay sila. Tsaka baka mahuling hindi marami yung baon kong Bisaya today. But go ahead, P. Would you like to do the honors for the next tweet? Oh.
From Junior Alves. Kaya niya, Lady Jet Spikers. Go lang ng go! Supporting you all the way from Talisay City, Cebu.
Oh.
Wow.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan. And we hope you're enjoying another coverage of the Premier Volleyball League via live stream. Mukhang solid kapamilya talaga itong mga taga Cebu, no? And another tweet here from Ian and Ina. I'm guessing ganun yung pagpasa nun. Ian and Ina. Go, idol my labs, Pablo. Galing mo talaga maglaro. Pwede ka na rin pang libero from Christian Reyes. No, hello sa'yo, Christian Reyes. And we hope you're watching this coverage of the Premier Volleyball League Open Conference. Common talaga yan. Nickname ni Myla, yung My Labs. Kasi yung My Labs, 2 letters away na lang from Myla.
My loves.
I'm not kidding. Uy, hindi ako nag-joke ha.
Okay, sige.
Totoo yun. I mean, parang that's one very... Pag sobrang close kayo, parang...
Pwede mo sabihin my loves.
Diba? Diba? But bumalik na tayo sa ating matchup for today, Pia. It is now 5-4 in favor of our Lady Warriors. Kung kakasama nyo lang po sa amin dito sa live stream, nung first set nga po, nakuha ito ng ating Lady Warriors matapos hindi matuloy ang paghabol ng ating Lady Jet Spikers. But right now, our Lady Warriors are up by 2. And according to statistics, Pia,
pantay na ngayon sila sa attack points. So, kita mo natin sa previous na points, nakuha lang nila yung points dahil outside yung service, as the Lady Jet Spikers outside din yung service. So, nagpapalitan lang sila ng mga outside na service.
So, a lot of other factors contributing in this game. And we now have Semana putting up for Caballejo. UST standout Judy Caballejo is now in the match. And that last point was too wide for Pablo, which gives another free point for our Lady Jet Spikers. Isa na lang po ang lamang ng ating Warriors dito sa ating matchup. Now have UST standout Judy Caballejo. What a nice serve from Judy. 6-all na po tayo. Ganun kabilis. You know, you should watch Judy play beach volleyball.
I haven't watched her play beach volleyball though. Pero alam kong magaling siya kasi champion
team yun eh. With the tandem, in the UAP tandem, Judy Caballejo and Maru Banatikla.
Yes.
Champions yun ng UAAP season 74. Facing off Ateneo in the finals.
Were you there watching?
Yes, I was watching. That's what I remember. It was a very interesting match. A lot of things happening.
Kita natin dito na labanan talaga ng magagaling na service dito.
And hindi lang magagaling na service but very veteran plays. We are now at 7-all after that Pablo miss hit. Very strong hit pa naman yun. Kung tumawid yun ng net, napakabaon siguro nun. Sobrang lakas ng power. Going easy pickup. C goes to Dadang on the hit out. That was too wide for a running play for Dadang. 8-7 lang po. Isa lang ang lamang ng ating Lady Jet Spikers dito sa second set. Magbabalik po kami dito sa SNA livestream. At nagbabalik po dito sa SNA livestream. My name is Sinjan Reyes and with me tonight is no other than the volleyball charmer herself, Pia Geiser. Good evening, Sir Pia, and you have some statistics with you there.
Makita naman natin dito sa stats na pantay itong dalawang kupunan na to sa attacks and sa service. Pero lamang itong Lady Warriors sa blocks. And mas marami nga itong unforced errors itong Lady Warriors. 5-3.
So mukhang nagkakatalo ang ating dalawang kupunan sa unforced errors lang. And speaking of unforced errors, there was another unforced error there on that last play on the side of our Lady Warriors. But let's go to our Kapamilya Kapamillas over Twitter. We have a tweet here. P, go ahead.
Aaron Markey. Go Pocari! Wanna see Gail Valdez play? Hehe. Go moms! Thank you sa live stream.
Ako, mukhang close friend siguro to ni Gail Valdez. And thank you rin sa pagsama sa amin dito sa live stream. And we hope na e-enjoy mo ang live stream natin for this evening. And we have another tweet here from JR Barameda 7. Go Pocari Sweat Lady Warriors. I am forever a solid fan of the Lady Warriors. At syempre tinag niya ang kanyang mga favorite players na sina Melissa Gohing, Myla Pablo at Jessie De Leon. We are yet to see action from Jessie De Leon here.
Now we have another tweet again from Joms Ortega. Go, 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 Myla Pabs, my loves. Lakas ng bagyo. Pisay nice.
Thank you so much, Joms, for that tweet. And maybe that's another reason bakit tinatawag siyang my loves. Myla Pabs, my loves.
My loves talaga. So I guess bago ng term yun para kay Myla Pablo, my loves.
Yes. Pero that's something that would be parang toyed around. Diba? Parang for fun when you refer to Myla Pablo. Pero speaking of fun, bumalik tayo dito sa ating matchup dahil it's starting to look fun for our Lady Jet Spikers as they are ahead by 4 points here in our match. And unforced errors, Pia. Mukhang napakarami ng binibigay ng ating Lady Warriors dito.
5-3, pero it's quite normal para sa Lady Warriors na mataas ang kanilang, marami silang unforced errors. Pero mukhang nag-iinit na itong Lady Jet Spikers.
Yes, and trying to show a lot of
warmed up na sila.
Trying to show a lot of veteran moves here, no?
Yes.
Like a lot of combination and a lot of smart plays, not just from the Spikers but also from the setters. But ang ating Lady Warriors showing their champion experience here. They are now catching up with a 2-point disadvantage.
And yun nga, katulad ng nakita nating unforced errors. May unforced error uli, and it's from Giselle C with 10 excellent sets. Mawi naman siya doon.
Yes. But we'll still see how Giselle C will push through.
Well, I'd like that.
Push through with this match because I'm sure she usually goes more than 20 rather per game. So let's see how she will do this match. Pero lumobo na ang lamang ng ating Lady Jet Spikers ng 4. And we now have number 12, Joy Cases, on the service line. Joy Cases is the team captain currently and she comes from Lyceum. At alam mo ba itong si Joy Cases? Well, if you look at their team, who's the most veteran player inside the court right now?
Wendy Ansemana.
Of course, Ate Wendy. That was
Yes.
a trick question. But of course, it's Ate Wendy Ansemana. And of course, one question I asked Coach Jasper Jimenez before was, why is Joy, how did they come to the decision of having Joy Cases as their team captain? And the answer was, did you know, was about parang iniikot yung maturity. Kasi parang, of course, Ate Wendy will always be a leadership or will always have that leadership quality given her position and her seniority. But Joy Cases should be leading also para mabigyan siya ng responsibility na yun para mag-score pa more and to lead her teammates not just in scoring but in everything and to have another voice na mature.
So it's like a strategy for the coach.
Yes. A strategy internally.
Yes, internally.
To develop
Yes.
his players. But going back to our match B, it is now 15-13 in favor of the Lady Jet Spikers. Kung maalala nyo po mga kapamilya, kanina po nanguna ang ating Lady Warriors in the first set. Pero sumubok humabol itong ating Lady Warriors. And in this match, the Lady Jet in this set rather, the Lady Jet Spikers are starting hot. And we now have our Lady Warriors trying to catch up. Let's see where Giselle brings the ball back set to Nepomuceno. She's turned back and that's a score for our Lady Jet Spikers. It is now 16-13 at magbabalik po kami dito sa SNA Livestream. At nagbabalik po kami dito sa SNA Livestream. Magandang gabi po mga kapamilya. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Sinjan Reyes. At kasama ko po ngayong gabi ay walang iba kundi ang volleyball charmer herself, no other than Pia Geiser. Good evening, P.
Good evening.
Nabubulil ka na.
Yeah. Good evening, S.
But going back to our match, P, what can you say is happening to these two teams?
Ngayon, nagkabaliktad naman. Itong Lady Warriors naman yung medyo nawawala-ish for a while nung lumalamang ng sobra itong Lady Jet Spikers. Dahil itong Lady Jet Spikers, nakuha na nila yung kanilang groove para sa game na to.
Pero someone who seems to never lose groove for the side of the Lady Warriors ay itong si Myla Pablo. Nakaka-score lang on that last play. And again, mga kapamilya, pinapaalalahanan po namin kayo that we have 3 views available for you here in the live stream. Kung bago lang po kayo dito, meron po tayong end zone view, wide view, at net view. So choose which view you like and you would hear us in all 3 channels. At isa na lang ang lamang ng ating Lady Jet Spikers after very nice plays executed on the side of the Lady Warriors.
Myla Pablo already with 8 points for this game.
And it's just the second set.
Yes. We know her, maabot siya ng 20 points.
normal day in the
Yes.
office for Myla Pablo. Ano na, pagod na siya siguro pag mga 40. Hindi naman, mga ano lang, approaching 30s lang naman. But going back to our match, dalawa na po ang lamang ng ating Lady Jet Spikers dito sa ating match. And Judy Caballejo, bago pa lang uminit dito sa ating second set at mukhang, or bago lamang yun siya pinasok dito at napakaganda ng pinapakita.
Already with 3 points. Ayun nga, kita natin na baka siya yung spark para sa Lady Jet Spikers.
We'll see because isa na lang ang lamang ng Lady Jet Spikers and we now have Panaga who has a very nice serve. Semana forced to give the second ball away. Semana gives it to number 17, Tapik. Inangat ni Caballejo para si Cases goes down the line but that goes wide. Tied na tayo sa 17 dito sa ating second set. Para po dun sa mga kakasama lamang sa amin, kanina nga po, kinuha ng ating Lady Warriors ang first set after sumubok kumabulit nitong ating Lady Jet Spikers. And now, the Warriors have finally tied the match at 17 after the Lady Jet Spikers dominating this second set. But after that free point, it is now 18-17 in favor of the Jet Spikers. Casas on the service. Pasilag well received. Back set for Serafica goes to Pablo. On the other side, Caballejo na ang nag-set kay Casas with a tip. Hinangat ni Serafica kay Dadang sa gitna. And that does it for our Lady Warriors.
Nakita natin na hindi lang pambuka talaga yung place nitong Lady Warriors. Talaga yung offense nila sa gitna. Napakaganda din at gumagana talaga para sa kanila.
Oh, and on that last play, Myla Pablo goes out on that last point. Nako, sunod-sunod na ang service error dito sa panig ng ating Lady Warriors, Pia.
Yun nga, it's normal for them to have unforced errors dahil convert naman nila to into attacks. Like that.
Like that.
Yes.
And that's coming from the very young player herself, Paran, from NU. Etong si Coach Rico, no, talagang naninigurado na dito, no. Full frontline lagi.
Lagi. Pag yung score 16 and above, pinapalta na niya agad.
First point. And we'll see later kung ipapasok ba niya yung kanyang service specialist na si Phil Kainglet Cayetano. That seems to be a common pattern here on the side of our Lady Warriors. Ooh, free ball given by Pablo. Inangat ni Semana sa likod kay Yonko. What a running play. Ganda.
What a set though.
On the side. Great setters here, huh? Kasima goes cross courts. Almost first line. 20-19 na po ang score natin dito. And we have a tweet coming from Goods Gonzalez. Height is might. Go Palomata. Laban Lady Jet Spikers. Hello from Melbourne, Australia.
Wow, ngayon naman galing Australia.
We've gone west. We are now coming down south. And speaking of going south, medyo pababa na ang score ng ating Lady Jet Spikers. 21-19 na po ang score sa aming talaan at tumawag na po ng timeout si Coach Jasper Jimenez.
Yun nga, nakita natin na sayang naman itong nilamangan ng Lady Jet Spikers. Pero kaya pa yan habulin dahil 2 points lang naman yan. And kailangan lang from both teams dito, consistency sa ginagawa nila.
Is that what you think is missing on the side of our Lady Jet Spikers?
Yes, kasi nawawala din sila sa groove nila ulit.
Yeah.
Parang
nagising sila tapos parang medyo napagod. Baka sobrang na-hyper bigla. But
kailangan lang nila isang magandang receive, one stop.
And we'll see in this next play as Giselle C serves Casas, good receive, inangat sa gitna kay Palomata. Palomata wasn't able to touch that last ball. Tatlo na po ang nilalamang ng ating Warriors dito. It is now 22-19. Eli Casilag showing a lot of promise here in this match.
Already with 6 points. Katulagan ng spike niya kanina. Napakaganda.
Casilag. Yonko turned back on that last play. Attacking and blocking, both working for our Lady Warriors, and our Lady Jet Spikers call their second and last timeout already.
Hindi na naman ma-convert nitong Lady Jet Spikers yung kanilang mga receptions and digs into attacks.
Would you say na parang walang pamatay or walang nakakapatay?
Walang pamatay and nagkakaroon pa ng kanina nagkakaroon pa ng mga unforced errors. Katulad nung nangyari kay Palomata, nagkaroon siya ng misanticipation
Dun sa ball.
Oo, dun sa ball. Yung mga simpleng bagay na yun, nakaka-apekto kasi yun sa whole set, sa mga teammates mo, alam mo yun.
And sometimes the most simple of things at the most crucial moments would cost you a set. But we'll see. Bilog ang bola, we don't know what will happen. And we will only know that in this play. As we have a tweet here from Gerard Ren. Go Bagyong Pablo, baka masira ang screen ng monitor namin dito sa lakas pumalo ni Pablo. Watching all the way from San Mateo, Rizal. Nako,
umabot na pala dun yung palo ni Pablo.
At ganun kalakas yung palo daw ni Pablo. Dumadagundong. Pero ang team ni Myla Pablo lamang na dito at abante na ng 2 sets. It is now, after that outside hit from Yonko, but there's may confusion na naganap on that last call.
Dahil sabi ng linesman na ito ay ball touch.
Yeah, but the final decision came from our first referee, and it is 25-20 in favor of our Lady Warriors. Magbabalik po kami dito para ihatid sa inyo ang aming third set dito lamang sa SNA Livestream.